Get this machine, just put it on the thick cloth like this. There will be two ties, like this is plastic ties, and you have to cut tie here, so it will come out. It will be come out, right? So this is the first step. Take the cable. This machine is a 110 volt machine, a US standard machine. This will go to adapter like this, and then this plug will go to our Indian plug. If you don't use this converter and if you connect this machine cable direct to our normal socket, then this machine will burn. There will be no warranty. Fill the water in water tank. You have to press this button. It will come out. Then this is the maximum height till what you have to fill the water. And to fill the water, you have to remove the silicone cap, and you can use sterile water or mineral water, but make sure that it will reach to max height only. You can fill the water and then place it like this. Now we have filled the water in the water cartridge. Now you can press the button on, and here it will show the power button. You can just touch it. Oxygen on. And the machine will start. Right now it is set to 1 liter. You can change the liter from here. You can change the flow rate from here. 3 liters, like 4, 5, 6, like this, and it will show the percentage of the oxygen here.
5 liters, 4 liters, 3 liters, 2 liters, 1 liter.
It is very simple operation, but make sure this machine should be in very open space and no direct sun or dusty environment. You can use this machine for like many hours, 24 hours. It's no problem at all. And you can change this water if you are using entire day. You can change this water in every 2 to 3 days with mineral water. You can also get additional filter and the fuse in case your fuse is blown due to some reason. You can replace it, and this is the filter that you can change in every 3 to 4 months to clean, or replace in 6 months. You also get the remote to operate this, but you have to buy a battery separately. The battery code is CR2025, so you can use that. You have to connect the oxygen pipe here, and you can use it. And make sure never ever use this machine directly to our Indian port. You must have to use the converter which is come with this machine. Without the converter, this machine will burn it, and there will be no our responsibility.